Okay, our first problem says we want to write a function called classification that accepts one argument, an integer representing a person's age. Examine the number and return a string based on the following rules. If the age is less than 5, return preschool. If the age is 5 to 18, including both, return school. If the age is from 19 to 23, including both, return college. And if the age is 24 or higher, return adult. Okay, so it's going to be a function, so we have to start with define, DEF. And the name of the function is classification. I'm going to pass in an age, and to let it know that this is a number, we're going to set it equal to 0. And the rules are if age is less than 5, return a string, preschool. Else if, and the next group goes up to including 18, so we'll do if age is less than or equal to 18, return school. The next option goes up to and including 23, so if age is less than or equal to 23, then we'll return college. And if none of those are true, we're going to return adult. And we have some data to test it with. It was in our problem description. So I'm going to copy that from the problem description and paste it in. Okay, I'm going to move them over. Okay. So let's go ahead and run that and see what we get. So it should be preschool. And it says that is wrong. 4 is preschool, and then 5 is the first. So let's run that again. Okay, preschool, school, school, college, college, adult. Okay, so we're checking all the borderline cases here. 5 is a borderline, 18 is one. So we check right below 4, or below 5, and check out the 4. We check 18 and then the one right above it. We check 23 and the one right above it. And if we check all the borderline cases like we're doing here, then you can be pretty sure that it is doing what you want it to do.